All right, let's talk about one of the buzziest kitchen gadgets out there right now, the Typhur Dome Air Fryer. And really, the entire conversation, all the hype, it all boils down to one number. A really, really big number. Yup, $499. Just let that sit there for a second. I mean, seriously, that's a lot of cash for a kitchen gadget you can usually grab for, what, under $100? It's a price that immediately makes you ask one simple question. Is this thing a total game changer that's worth every last dollar? Or is it just a ridiculously expensive kitchen mistake waiting to happen? Well, that's what we're gonna find out. So, what on earth are you actually getting for that kind of money? To justify that price tag, Typhur is basically promising perfection. So let's unpack that promise. Let's look at the features they claim put this machine in a totally different league, starting with the very first thing you notice when you pull it out of the box. Okay, right away, this does not feel like your typical air fryer. It's made with this gorgeous brushed stainless steel. It's got a sleek, kind of minimalist vibe. It's heavy, it's solid. You can just feel the quality. This is designed to be a showpiece on your counter, not something you shove in a pantry. But here's the cool part. That unique dome shape, it isn't just for show. Nope, it's a critical piece of the engineering. It's designed to create this perfect vortex of hot air inside, and that design has a direct impact on how this thing actually performs, which, by the way, is where things get really, really impressive. Under the hood, this thing is an absolute monster. It has a 1200-watt heating element that gets it from 0 to a blistering 400 degrees Fahrenheit in less than 90 seconds. Think about that. Your big oven probably takes 10, maybe 15 minutes to do that. With this, you're basically not waiting around anymore. This is what that speed actually means for your dinner. Preheating? It's pretty much instant. A bag of frozen fries that might take you 15 minutes in a normal air fryer, they're done and perfectly crispy in about 8. For a lot of common foods, you're literally cutting your cook time in half. But listen, speed means nothing if the food comes out soggy on one side and burnt on the other, right? Well, that's where Typhur's true air frying tech comes into play. That dome shape, combined with a super powerful fan, creates a swirl of heat that solves the #1 problem with most air fryers: uneven cooking. Every single French fry, every single chicken wing gets blasted with the same amount of heat. The result? A perfectly even, crispy finish every single time. And then there's the size. And trust me, this is a huge selling point. The 6.5-quart basket is massive. You can roast a whole medium-sized chicken in there. So if you've got a family or you like to meal prep for the week, you can cook everything in one go instead of doing 3 separate small batches. That is a huge time saver. Okay, so it sounds pretty amazing, right? The performance is definitely top tier. But let's get real. Nothing's perfect, especially not for $500. So we have to talk about the downsides, because there are a couple of big ones you need to know about. By far, the biggest headache is cleaning this thing. Now, the basket itself is non-stick, easy to wipe out, no problem. But the inside of the machine, especially up around the heating element, oh man, if you get any grease splatter up there, it can be a real chore to deep clean. It's not a deal breaker, but it is definitely something to think about. So here are the 2 big trade-offs you gotta consider: that tricky interior cleaning and the fact that this thing is a beast. It has a massive footprint. If you have a small kitchen with limited counter space, you absolutely, seriously have to get out a tape measure before you even think about clicking buy. So, how does the Dome compare to another big name in the game, like the Ninja Foodi? This is a great comparison because it really highlights what the Dome is and what it isn't. This is a classic battle of the specialist versus the jack of all trades. And this really gets to the heart of the decision you have to make. The Ninja is like a kitchen Swiss Army knife. It pressure cooks, it slow cooks, it air fries pretty darn well. It's an awesome all-rounder. The Typhur Dome, though, it's a surgeon's scalpel. It was built to do one thing: be the absolute best, fastest, most even air fryer on the planet. And for that specific job, it just plain outclasses the multi-cookers. Which brings us right back to that big $500 question. We've seen the incredible power, we've seen the annoying drawbacks, so let's pull all of this together and finally figure out if it's actually worth it. So, is the Typhur Dome worth the money? Well, the answer, and this probably won't surprise you, isn't a simple yes or no. It really, truly depends on you. So, here's a little guide. Ask yourself these 3 questions and be honest. 1. Do you use your air fryer almost every day? 2. Do you care more about speed and perfect results than anything else? And 3, do you just love and appreciate high-end kitchen tech? If you're nodding your head yes to all 3, then for you, the Dome isn't just a gadget. It's a serious investment that's probably going to change how you cook every day.
Maybe the best way to wrap your head around this thing is to just stop calling it an air fryer, because it's not, really. It's a high-performance, countertop convection oven on steroids. It cooks faster and better than your big oven and more evenly than any standard air fryer.
At the end of the day, one quote just nails it. It's the Ferrari of air fryers. It's not for everybody, it costs a ton, and it's super specialized. But for those people who want that absolute peak performance, well, there's really nothing else in its class.
And so that leaves the final question. And this one is all on you. For your kitchen and the way you cook, is that kind of specialized perfection worth the premium price? Your answer to that question will tell you everything